Students of class 9B. In this period, we are going to start new chapter, statistics. The first chapter is introduction, data, and frequency distribution. First of all, the definition of statistics. It is the science of collecting, organizing, and analyzing sets of data in order to get useful informations. Here, collecting, suppose we are collecting the marks in mathematics of the students of 9B. Those marks may be written as 46, 73, 82, 54, like that. This is out of 100. I have collected these marks. So this comes under collection. This is also one important factor of statistics in which we collect the informations. These are informations of different students. I mean the marks in mathematics of different students. So this is collection, and collection is one important part of statistics. Then organizing. In organizing, or we say organization, we arrange this collection in ascending or descending order. Means arrangement of data. That arrangement may be in ascending or in descending order. Suppose I arrange this in ascending order, we will write at first 46, then 54, then 73, and then 82. This is organization. And this organization is also one important part of statistics. Then analyzing. Analyzing is derived from analysis. Analysis, we can find the least mark and the highest mark. So the least mark is 46 and the highest mark is 82. So this will come under analysis. So these statistics include these three words: collection of data, organization of data, and analysis of data, from where we get useful informations. Which kind of informations? Those are useful. We can find the least mark, that is 46. We can find the highest marks, that is 82. These are useful informations for us. So under statistics, we study these three words: collection of data, organization of data, and analysis of data, to get several important informations. The elements of observations are called variables. There are two types of variables: continuous variables and discrete variables. These continuous variables are based on accuracy. What is this accuracy? Suppose we are asked to collect the data of heights of different students of your class. So that height will be the accurate measurement of each student, that may be as 160 centimeter, 162.25 centimeter, 158.50 centimeter. So all these variables are accurate. This is based on accurate measurement. Therefore, this type of variables are called continuous variables. Now second is discrete variables. This is based on assumption. Suppose we are collecting the data of children in different family. So our observation will come as 2, 3, 1, 0, etc. So this type of variables based on assumption is called discrete variables. Now our next topic is frequency distribution. Before discussing frequency distribution, we classified the data into two groups. First is ungrouped data and second is array data. Ungrouped data, we produce the data, we write the data in which order we find or we observe the events, such as there are 20 students in your section and I have collected the marks in mathematics out of 10. Out of 10, full marks is 10. Out of 10, we have collected the marks in mathematics of 20 students. So, in which order I found their marks, in the same order I wrote. This type of data is called ungrouped data. But this array data, I arrange these observations or variates in ascending order or in descending order. I have arranged this data in ascending order. Suppose 2 is coming 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I wrote 4 times. 3 is coming 2 times, 1 and 2. 4 is coming 4 times. It means 4 students of your class scored 2 marks in mathematics out of 10. These 2 students scored 3 marks in mathematics out of 10. It means 3 students scored 4 marks in your class out of 10. This is the meaning. Now, what are you saying? I repeated the observations according to the ungrouped data. Now we are going to prepare the frequency. Variate, I wrote 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 8 types of variates. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I wrote all the variates. And in frequency table, I wrote the repetition of variates. 2 is repeated 4 times, so the frequency of this 2 became 4. 3 is repeated 2 times, so the frequency of 3 became 2. 4 is repeated 3 times, so the frequency of 4 became 3. In this way, frequency of 5 is 4, frequency of 6 is 1, frequency of 7 is 3, frequency of 8 is 2 and frequency of 9 is 1. So this arrangement of frequencies according to variate is called frequency distribution. So what is frequency? Frequency is the repetition of variates. How many times any particular variate or any particular observation is repeated. 2 is repeated 4 times. So this 4 became the frequency of 2. Similarly, 8 is repeated 2 times. So the frequency of 8 became 2. So we say frequency is the repetition of variates or repetition of observation in the data. When we write this frequency according to their variate, that is called frequency distribution.